What else? Go ahead.
I have one more question, Rabbi.
Please.
So if, let's say one is a male, and I don't want to be say anything inappropriate, but if you use the restroom and you do number one, and you're not allowed to look at debris or touch it. When someone's a non-Jew, they're generally taught when they're growing up that they would kind of shake off debris, because you don't. You know what I mean? Like
Yes.
So how do you deal with that? How do you deal with that as a Jew? I mean, what do you do?
You just that's amazing question. So, and I would just add to the question. So it's actually not only about this, even though it's very practical what you say, but it's actually cover all aspects of our life, right? And how you can eat without blessing, right? So say somebody in the process of the conversion, or somebody is trying to do teshuvah, and a person, let's say in his 20s, mid-20s, in Torah. So all these years he got used to just eat whatever he sees, like all people, whatever he eats, he wants to eat, puts in his mouth, and that's it. You understand? So, but that's not what the Jew does. So a Jew would say, okay, what blessing should I say? And okay, if I eat only this piece, would I be able to say the after blessing? No, you know what? It's not enough. I'm going to eat 2 pieces or 3 pieces, whatever is it. So I'm going to be able to say the blessing. So you do all of these calculations. You understand? So, and whatever you said, it's very practical, and you just train yourself, like remind yourself like every time, and it doesn't matter how many times you're going to fail. No, not you. I'm talking about the general. All of the people fails, right? But and Satan is going to implant this idea. Oh, you look at you, you loser. Look, you already promised 300 times that I'm going to be careful. I'm going to be careful. And guess what? Today's 301st time you fail again. So what do we do? No. We have expression that tzaddik gets up 8 times. What does it mean? Even tzaddik fell 7 times. He gets up. He finished on one word sentence. He's up. So doesn't matter. You know that is right. Whatever you said, it's 100% correct. You continue doing. You continue to remind yourself. You understand? And don't let all of the things from Satan that you cannot do it. It's impossible. I've been doing it for a long time. Look, I hear like every day this expression. No, I'm told just leave me be, let it be, leave me alone. I'm told. You understand? That's advice of the Yetzer Hara, that somebody is told and somebody can handle this. That's not our approach. Our approach, as we said, a Jew can go above the angels. Angel is stationary. Jew is not stationary. We can go up, can go down. So, but Jew can go higher than angels. That's what HaShem said. That's how we live. Okay. Any other question?
So, how exactly, for the purposes of being able to go to the restroom and complete that, what do? Do you just use your left hand and wipe?
Okay, so let's leave it on a private conversation. Okay, I don't want this discussed on a tape. Okay, but I'm going to explain. Yeah.